In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make a Spotify blend playlist with a friend. It is very quickly and very easy, okay? So, first of all, I will point out that I'm doing the process on my Android, but it's the same process, the exact process on your iPhone too, okay? Or your computer. So, what you need to do is log in Spotify and log into your account. After doing that, you need to click on the middle button, search, right here, and click on the bar to search. Then you need to search blend. Okay, so type blend. You will see this option right here. Click on top, and here you can create a blend. So click on this plus button, and here you need to invite a friend to make a blend playlist. So click invite, and here you have several options to invite friends to your blend. Okay, I prefer this option, copy to clipboard and send manually, but you can share on social media like Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, WhatsApp, and so on, okay? So after inviting your friend, you need to ask your friend to accept the invite. And then you make a Spotify blend playlist with your friend, okay? I hope I help you how to make a Spotify blend playlist with your friend. So if this video helped you in any way, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to receive useful tips.